The lines are blurring between service and e-commerce. And this has been well underway, but it was accelerated by the pandemic. And everybody went digital and everybody went e-commerce. As many as 6 million cars will be sold online by 2025. And customers are expecting the same great digital experience.
And the only way to really get a smart and intuitive user experience is to have seamless integration of your capabilities, third-party capabilities, the data, and all of those things together isn't really that easy to do, but once you can achieve that, you can actually get to an intuitive and smart experience and leveraging AI to do that.
30 to 50% of support conversations are sales related today. Conversational commerce helps drive more revenue. Whether you are in the e-commerce business or the service business, you are somehow in the driving revenue business. We commissioned a study with Bain, and they found that there was a 20% increase in online sales from conversational commerce. And Forrester did an ROI analysis of one of our customers, and they saw an increase of 20% in average order value from conversations and messaging.